Ciao, homie. What's up, strongest men, women, and children from blocks all around the world? Thank you for joining me again on my block, Strongest Man, today. Before we get into today's topic, two really super quick reminders. One is TubeBuddy. So TubeBuddy, in my opinion, is the greatest Chrome plugin for your YouTube channel to increase your productivity and efficiency in building your channel quickly, much more quickly than you would without it. It has a lot of great features like a keyword explorer, bulk editing tools, advanced analytics, and the ability to create more custom thumbnails. Their free version is great, and they have an upgraded pro version, which is still super cheap. It was $9 a month last time I checked, so check the link in my description below and download TubeBuddy today. My second quick reminder is about Spreadshirt.com. So if you like my design with the everyman, strongman of the block carrying the recliner, and you were wondering if you could have that on a t-shirt, mug, or other accessories, it's available, so check out my link to Spreadshirt in the description below for that as well, and I greatly appreciate the support there as well. So on to today's topic. Enjoy. What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to my block, Strongest Man, where we discuss using objects from around your home and your property to get in that workout. Remember, burning some calories is better than burning no calories. Small goals matter, everybody. Small goals matter. So you may notice that I'm doing a voiceover on this video, and that's because I tried to set up my microphone in such a way to capture the video correctly outside, and it's really difficult if I'm not able to stay in one place. And this video is all about motion. I have to carry an object from one place to another, and I can't be near the microphone. I did record it outside, and the audio is not good. So I decided to come over and do a voiceover to give you justice and a good explanation here and not give you terrible audio to listen to. So if you're wondering why the lips don't match, that's why. I figured better to give you nice, clear information about what's happening than to give you really bad faraway audio, even though I try to get it near me. So what we wanted to do today is conquer the dilemma of what you do when you have a lawnmower that is in your backyard, which is at a different elevation than the rest of your property that you have to cut the lawn. So in my particular case, I have a high backyard, a lower side of my property, and no hill to get from one place to another. It's a set of stairs. And so I wanted to show you today what you can do with a certain amount of strength, but also a certain amount of technique to get the lawnmower from one place to another one without killing yourself and without getting hurt. And so, as you see here, I'm lifting it, I'm bending over, I'm trying to get into a squatted position as much as I can and get it up onto my hip. So you don't want to just muscle it. I mean, you see my forearms are struggling there, but you don't want to just muscle the whole thing. You see when I have it on my hip there, I can hold it there for a while. And so in a moment here, I'll spin around and I'll walk down the steps, and you'll see how it's not as difficult as it might otherwise be. That is 5 stairs, I believe. So my stairway is a total of 10 steps, but that portion of it that I have to get the lawnmower down is 5 stairs. So you'll see, not a big deal. I was able to get it down, and I'm able to do this every time that I need to do it. And so that's the tip of the day, really. So I was able to get out there. I was able to get a good workout. And you'll see here, I knew that the audio wasn't good, and I'm trying to get the microphone closer to my face where you can hear me better. But this is kind of the lesson of the day. Get out there, get a good workout. You can find something to lift somewhere on your property, whether it's a lawnmower or a little stone or a little rock. Doesn't matter what it is. So today I was able to use my strength and my technique to get a lawnmower from point A to point B functionally, right, to accomplish a task that I need to accomplish today, and also got in a good workout at the same time. So hopefully this was helpful to you and you were able to see how you can use your strength, but a little bit of technique to maybe lift something that is, somewhat heavy. That lawnmower I actually looked up on Google, and it's about 65 pounds, but it was full of gas. And so gallon of water is about 7 to 8 pounds, so gasoline is maybe 9, let's say. So 65-pound lawnmower, we'll call it 74 pounds total. And so that's what I ended up carrying down. So not a gigantic amount of weight, but not light either. And the bulk and the width of what I had to pick up, in addition to the fact that it has pretty sharp metal edges on it that hurt your hands, made it a little more difficult than it had to be. So in this particular case, I was able to accomplish that, and what I'm doing right now in the video is going down there and noticing that because I wanted to hold the lawnmower up for a few seconds in a tilted position for dramatic effect to exaggerate the technique I was using, it spilled gasoline on me, on my hands and on my pants, on my leg. So when you do this, make your motion quick, squat down, get it up, try to use your legs as much as you can to pick it up, and try to keep it horizontal as long as you can so that you can avoid this spillage onto your clothes that I had. So that's the technique. Get down, squat, use your legs to drive, grab the lawnmower on either side with your hands, drive up with your legs, keep it in a horizontal position, and then sit it on your hip. Like, hold it in place with your legs, but use your hip to hold most of the weight, and you'll be able to slowly get down a flight of steps. So I hope you found this interesting. Thank you again for joining me on My Block Strongest Man today. Please subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Please like this video, and please share this with everybody you know. I would greatly appreciate it. Word of mouth really does help a lot for like-minded folks like yourselves that like this kind of content. And remember to hit that bell button for notifications of all my great content. And check out my links in the description to TubeBuddy and to my merchandise on Spreadshirt if you like my designs. And of course, as always, until next time, ciao, homie.